Hi there, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lee. This channel is all about second-hand vintage fashion, thrifting, styling, and basic alteration skills and repairment skills. Today is a handbag video. I'm going to show you the cheapest designer bag I have got. I have 3 bags to show you. This video is inspired by Jessie's style. I will link her video down below if you are interested in watching her video. Okay, let's get started. I have 3 bags to show you. 2 of them are from Louis Vuitton and 1 is from Mulberry. The first one is this one. Louis Vuitton Amazon crossbody bag made in France, 2004. I got this bag, I think 5 or 6, nearly 7 years ago from a Japanese reseller. I paid no more than 100 euro. It's nearly like 112 US dollars. I think the reason I got this bag with such a cheap price is the issue here. The leather pad on the shoulder strap was missing. And also the leather tab here was torn apart. So I couldn't use this bag when I received it. The common issue of this Amazon bag is this leather tab was torn because this canvas strap is very stiff, and normally when we wear this bag, and this part will be twisted and eventually it will torn apart. So I repaired this in a particular way. I did a video. If you're interested, you can check my video. And I covered my repairment with this twilly. After I repaired this bag, I can use it again. Each time I go out with my family, have a walk in the nature, I will use this bag. I put my essentials inside, and hands-free. It's really a sportive and practical bag. It has a big capacity. Look at, it's very wide, and there's a separation. Here is an individual zipper closure. Back here, and here is a main bag with a slip pocket. Inside is wipeable lining. And I like this separation, you know, because I can put sometimes some essentials I don't need so often here and close it, and I can put my phone here because sometimes I will take out my phone and check it. So it's really practical, and it's a good purchase. I'm very proud of myself. Found this bag and I repaired it and use it, enjoy it. So next one is this one, Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoires. It's the oldest model of this pochette accessoire, which means it has a shorter leather strap, and so inside is one single bag like this without a slip pocket or zipper pocket. I got this bag also 5, 6, nearly 7 years ago from a Japanese reseller. I paid that time 60 euro. It equals 68 US dollars. When I got this bag, the strap was missing, and also the zipper pull was missing. So I repaired it by using this little charm. It looks like it's from Swarovski crystal charm to put here. There is a hole here, and so I can use it as a zipper pull, and it's also very decorative. I use this as a pouch, as a catch-all. It's like a SLG instead of using it as a bag. So I can put my essentials and put all this bag in a bigger bag, and I use it. Especially very useful when I carry a nappy bag. So I can put my essentials in and put this in a nappy bag. This bag is also one of most used bag in my collection. It's also a very good purchase. Considering today, now Louis Vuitton launched a newer version, the third version of Pochette Accessoires, with a chain and with a zipper pocket inside, and with a higher price tag. It's nearly 1,500 euro. It's really a very expensive bag, but this one cost us just a little money, and I use it a lot, and I'm very proud of myself again. Try your hand, find this treasure and repair it and use it. This pouch was made in France in 1999. So the last one is Mulberry bag. I love this rich chocolate color, this rich chocolate brown. Look at this, looks so yummy. And this bag has this beautiful shape. Look, and it's so sturdy, such a sturdy bag. And look, this hardware is also heavy. It's from a brass, heavy. Here, it's like such a strong bag made for last forever. I got it before lockdown in 2020 in a charity shop in London. One morning I went into the charity shop and I saw this bag behind the counter. It says reduced £10. So it likes $12 US. I saw this tree. I recognized this tree, Mulberry bag. And I grabbed this bag and paid and left the store. Oh, I was so happy. And this bag is also so not only beautiful, it's also very functional. I can use as a shoulder bag. It has another strap here. I can adjust this shoulder strap and make it as a crossbody bag. It has zipper pocket inside, so I can put very important stuff in this zipper pocket. I like to use this bag in autumn and winter time, and when I go out in a park with my children, I can use this as crossbody, and it's so strong. And if it's something dirt come onto the bag, just wipe it and it will go. It's like a all-weather bag. I love it. So these are my 3 cheapest design bag I have got to show you. And how about you? And what is or are your cheapest designer bags? What is the bag and how much you paid it for? And have you enjoyed the bags you find? And I like to hear the story from you. Please leave your story in the comment down below. And thank you for watching. Take care until next time. Bye bye.